How's it going, everybody? Today is July 8th, 2021. We are going to be doing a one-box break for 2021 Bowman Sapphire Baseball. It's break number 3, and we will be rolling the dice for the random and pairing everyone up. We will only re-roll if we get snake eyes. Otherwise, if there's multiple players on a card, we will randomize between the players on the card. So, good luck to everyone. We're going to do the randomization right now. So, we got Anthony I, Ryan R 2, Anthony I, Adam G, Ramon P 2, Ryan R, Daniel C, and Arturo N. And we have that copied and pasted 3 times, so you guys can see there because it's 3 teams per spot. So it's Anthony I, Ryan R2, Anthony I, Adam G, Ramon P2, Ryan R, Daniel C, Arturo N, and that is done one more time all the way down through, as you can see there. So we're going to grab the names, randomize it. Actually, we're going to put it into random.org, come back here, and we are going to roll the die for the random for the amount of times that we're going to randomize the list. So 1 and 2 gets you 3, so that means we're going to be randomizing the list 3 times. Let's go back to random.org, and as you can see there, Anthony I on top, Arturo N on the bottom. We're going to randomize it 3 times. Good luck to everyone. 1, 2, and third and final time. So you can see right there 3 times. Ramon P on top and Ryan R on bottom. Paste that into Google Docs, and then we're going to grab all the teams. So you can see there it's in alphabetical order. Arizona Diamondbacks on top, Washington Nationals on bottom. So we're going to randomize the teams 3 times. Good luck to everyone. 1, 2, third and final time, 3. Got the Baltimore Orioles on top with the Cubs on the bottom. Not too bad of 2 teams to get there. Right, and then we're going to alphabetize the names. And here we go. So Adam G gets the Dodgers, Reds, and Mariners. Anthony I gets the A's, Blue Jays, Yankees, Rangers, and Marlins, and the Twins. Arturo N gets the Angels, Cardinals, and Tigers. Daniel C gets the Giants, Pirates, and Red Sox. Ramon P gets the Baltimore Orioles, the Indians, Rays, Rockies, Royals, and Mets. And Ryan R gets the Nationals, Brewers, Padres, Diamondbacks, Braves, White Sox, Phillies, Astros, and Cubs. So I'm going to give you guys a minute to make trades, and then we will get started on the break. But remember, only a minute. Hey, William, did you want Bowman open live? Did you want that Bowman blaster open live? Just let me know if you want me to rip it after this break. Just let me know. We could definitely rip it for you. I'm going to give you about another 30 seconds on trading. Yeah, William, just let me know if you want that ripped live, and we can rip it live for you. Otherwise, we'll just ship it out to you. All right, about another 15 seconds, and then we'll get started. Yeah, let me know, William, if you want that ripped. Otherwise, if anybody wants anything ripped and shipped, we can definitely do that for you. All right, guys, we're going to get started. All right, good luck to everyone today. Yeah, it is free top loaders. But I got to wait for him to answer if he wants me to rip it live or not. Good luck to everyone. Hopefully we can pull you guys some nice stuff today. You're right, though. That's what I was thinking about, ripping it live. So let me fix the camera real quick, and then we'll get started right away. All right, cool. So good luck to everyone. Hopefully we can hit you guys some nice stuff. I'm going to have to take the garbage out soon. Been ripping lots of packs lately. All right, there are the packs. Empty box. And like I said, good luck to everyone. Hopefully we can pull you something nice. I'm going to bring this down just a bit more so we can actually see what we're ripping. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 packs. Like I said, good luck. Gunnar Henderson, Gigi Baudet, Brian Scott, Robert Hazel, Brett Batty, Jackson Rutledge. Oh, it's a first Bowman. Gabriel Arias. Yellow. First Bowman rookie out of 50. Holy. This thing pops. Look at that, though. Wow. Out of 50 for the Indians. Congrats, Indians. And a Montero Bowman base. Let's go Tigers with a Spencer. Okay. Trevor Larnach. Nick Lodolo, Jeter Downs, and a Blaze Jordan, first Bowman base rookie. It's a nice one. It's a nice hit, though. Got a first Bowman. Who am I looking for? Spencer? Okay. Logan Davidson. Jeremy Pena. Jared Kelenic. And a Terran Vavra. So far, lots of base packs. This one feels like it might be an auto. Blaze is always a great hit, man. Could literally never complain about a Blaze Jordan. All right. Jaron Duran. Mackenzie Gore. Kobe Mayo. First Bowman auto. There we go for the Orioles. There you go. Kobe Mayo. I know he's supposed to be a pretty solid prospect for the Orioles, right? And a Jordan Adams. Clayton Beater. Yeah, at least it's a first. Isaiah Green. Nolan Gorman. And a Dylan Dingler. Got 2 packs left. Let's get some more first Bowman. There we go. And Aaron Sabato. That's a really good one. It's probably what, like the second best prospect? Third best? Fourth best? Somewhere around there. That's a nice one to get. We pulled his auto not that long ago too. Jose Salas. First Bowman. Spencer Torkelson. So it's not... Oh, wait, there's your Spencer. And Jason Rosario. Get everything else sleeved and top-loaded soon. All right, final pack. Anthony Volpe. Cody Jose. Freddie Zamora. And a Colton Welker. Well, got a pretty nice Gabriel Arias out of 50. Bowman. Jose Salas, Aaron Sabato, which is nice. Kobe Mayo, first Bowman auto. And a Blaze Jordan, first Bowman. So that is going to do it for this box of Bowman Sapphire. Thank you to everyone who joined the break. Congrats to everyone who hit something. And we're going to get everything packed up and shipped out as soon as we can. Thanks for joining, guys. Just to let you know, we got lots of other breaks as well. We got Chronicles draft picks. We got Prism and Mosaic draft picks if you guys want to join that as well. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.